Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Sonia. Hi. So today we're going to be doing a short little video. I'm going to be teaching you how to apply false lashes. So now I did ask you guys on Instagram. I made a poll, so you answered yes or no if you guys wanted to see a how to apply a false lashes video. Most of you actually answered yes. So I'm assuming those are the people that still struggle on how to apply lashes. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how. I'm going to be choosing the Blinking Beauty in Bombesque lashes. The style in Bombesque. I don't know what I just said. So yeah, these are my favorite pair of lashes. I absolutely love them. I feel like I always wear these in my videos, but oh well. These are just my favorites. I love the way it looks like on my eye. Okay, so first thing, when you open the box, well, I took my lashes off already. So you're going to see like the left side and the right side. So that's the ones that are on this side. They're going to be placed on the left side of the eye. And then the other one's on the right side. So another thing that's really important too is that you need to measure the lash within your eye, because they might be longer than your actual eye, so it's probably gonna just like go past it. So you need to measure it, whereas it's gonna fit your eye shape properly. So I've already done that because I've already wore these before. Another thing, I usually apply my mascara before my lashes just because it helps keep the lashes cleaner, I find. Like when you constantly, like, let's say wear your lashes and then you put mascara, like you're gonna see they're just gonna like lose its natural shape and they're just gonna look much more dirty. So that's one thing that you can keep in mind, is that always apply your mascara before instead of after applying your lashes. So that's another thing. So I think I've said already the basics for before applying the lashes. So for the glue, I just use the Duo Glue. So that's what I'm going to be using today. If you're allergic to latex, they do have glue without latex, so that's an option. So I'm going to just pour some glue onto a Kleenex here. What I usually do is I take my spatula and I apply glue. First of all, you want to apply a very, very thin layer of glue. You don't want to apply too much, because the more you apply, the more it will just get everywhere. So, and then another thing is that since it has a thicker band, you want to apply the front of the lash and the back of the lash. So when you actually glue it, like, both sides are glued, you know what I mean? Another thing is that, well, you see already, like, this side is shorter and then the end of the lash is longer. So obviously this goes on my left eye. Okay, so once you already have the glue on the lash, you want to wait about 30 to 60 seconds before applying it. And I'll tell you why. Because if you just go directly and apply it, you'll see that the glue is just way too wet. It's going to take longer to dry and it might just move around and it might be harder to even just glue on. So if you wait about 30 to 60 seconds, the glue gets tacky and it's a lot easier for the lash to just pop on. So the trick is that a lot of people will try to apply the lash all at once. So you want to do it kind of like in sections, if that makes sense. So first of all, you want to apply it closest to the lash line as possible. So I'll turn so you see a bit. So right now I applied it at the center. Now I'm going to go to the exterior part. And then now I'm going to the inner part. So the longer you wait for the lash to get tacky, you saw how easy that was? It literally just popped on. Like, it was so easy. So then I like to just push them in to make sure they're nice and glued and they're not gonna unstick. Especially the inner corner, since the inner corner does unstick the easiest, I find. Okay, so with this glue, this is the transparent glue. Well, it's white, but it will dry transparent. So once the glue is actually dried, you'll see that it'll just disappear. So, and another thing is that since you have your lashes on, sometimes your real lashes do peek through. So another thing that you want to do is you could use like your fingers or like tweezers, and you just want to like just pinch your real and not your real lashes and your fake lashes together, so it just looks like one layer of lashes, you know. So here we have it. We put the lash on. Oh, it looks so good actually. I'll show you again with the other lash, and you want to apply a thin layer of glue, and then again you want to wait 30 to 60 seconds. Place it closest to the lash line as possible, and then you want to do the inner corner. So remember, always place it in the center, do the exterior, and then the inner corner. And then you want to press it in. Yep, there we go. And then here we have it. Super easy to apply lashes once you actually get the hang of it. I know that I was still struggling even when I was doing my makeup courses, but now I'm just used to it. So if you go by these steps, you'll see it's like super easy. And if you guys have any other questions, you guys could always ask me in the comment section down below. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!